Hello everyone, welcome to Shivik Tutorials. Our today's topic is exponents. Suppose x is a rational number to the power n. We write it as x multiply with itself till n times. This is rational number and we are multiplying rational number with itself till n times. This n is a natural number. We have few formulas for this. We are going to see those formulas one by one. X raised to m multiply x raised to n. This is the first case. So when base is same, we write it as x raised to the power m plus n. When base is same, we add the powers. When there is a division sign in between, we write it as m minus n. This m must be greater than n. When division sign is in between and base is same, we subtract the powers. Third one is x raised to m raised to n. It means x raised to m n, or you can write it as x raised to n raised to m. Fourth one is xy. These two terms raised to n. It means x raised to n multiply x raised y raised to n. Fifth one is x upon y raised to n. It means x to the power n upon y to the power n. Sixth one is x raised to 0, which is 1. Seventh one is x to the power 1, which is x. So these are the formulas of exponents. Expressing in terms of p by q. Suppose we have 4 raised to minus 4 and we have to write this in terms of p by q. So what we are going to do? We are going to take inverse of it, which is 1 upon 4 raised to 4. Inverse of 4 raised to minus 4 is 4 raised to 4. So this is in terms of p by q, where our p is 1 and q is 4 raised to 4. This again we are going to simplify and 4 times, because power is 4, so we are multiplying 4 times with itself. 1 upon 256. If we have 1 upon 2 raised to minus 3, then and we have to write this in terms of p by q, what we are going to do, we'll take again inverse of it. It becomes 2 raised to 3. Now 1 into 2 raised to 3, division sign, so I am writing p by q as q by p, and I am writing it with the multiplication sign. So 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 2 to the power 3, that is why 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 3 times. Next example which we are going to take is 5 by 8 raised to minus 7 multiply with 8 by 5 raised to minus 4. We'll solve this part first. 5 by 8 in terms of p by q. 1 upon 5 by 8 raised to 7, which is 8 raised to 7 upon 5 raised to 7. Reciprocal of it. Now this term 8 upon 5 raised to minus 4. So 1 upon 8 by 5 raised to 4, which is 5 raised to 4 upon 8 raised to 4. Now we are going to multiply these two terms. 8 raised to 7 upon 5 raised to 7 multiply with 5 raised to 4 upon 8 raised to 4. Now 8 raised to 7 upon 8 raised to 4. When base is same and they are in division, so what we do? We subtract the powers. So this is 8 raised to 7 minus 4. Here also 5 raised to 7 and 5 raised to 4. So power is same, 8. Base is same. So we'll subtract the powers. 8 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. 8 into 8 into 8 upon 5 into 5 into 5, which is nothing but 512 upon 125. Write each of the following as a rational with positive exponents. We have to write these rational numbers with positive powers. For this, we'll write this as 1 upon 3 raised to 7 divided by 1 upon 3 raised to 10, and it is multiplied with 1 upon 3 raised to 5. See, I am just writing inverse of it and making it positive. This is division sign, so taking reciprocal of it, 1 upon 3 raised to 7 into 3 raised to 10 upon 1, multiply with 1 upon 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 10 upon 3 raised to 7. So base is same. We'll subtract the powers. Multiply with 1 upon 3 raised to 5. 3 raised to 10 minus 7 is 3 raised to 3 into 1 upon 3 raised to 5. This is 3 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 5, means 3 raised to 3 minus 5. 3 upon 3 raised to 3 upon 3 raised to 5. So x raised to n upon x raised to m. So n minus m, x raised to n minus m, which is x raised to 3 raised to minus 2, which you can write it as or 1 by 3 the whole square. Simplify this question. 8 raised to minus 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to minus 4. We will write these rational numbers with positive powers. 1 upon 8 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 3 divided by 1 upon 2 raised to 4. 1 upon 8 into 5 raised to 3. This becomes multiplication sign and taking inverse of it. So this is 2 raised to 4. 5 raised to 3 into 2 raised to 4 is 16 upon 8. This is 5 raised to 3 into 8 ones are 8 2 times. This comes. So 125 into 2, which is nothing but 250.